Hi, welcome to Project Tips. I'm Homer. Today I'm going to share to you the basics on how to make perfume in your own home. I learned how to make perfume way back in 2019 and have been making my own perfume like this one. I started with 4 cents. Now I have 21 cents in my collection. Making perfume is easy as 1, 2, 3. For the basic perfume, we have 5 ingredients. We have the fragrance, that is the fragrance oil, the fixative, DPG, PGA, and distilled water. All you need to do is mix all these ingredients in proper and in the correct proportion and cure it or age it before using it. And that's it. The fragrance oil, this is the fragrance oil. As you can see, this is the fragrance oil. This is 120 ml. It's the key to perfumery. It has unique combinations of 10 or more ingredients. Each fragrance oil are accurately mixed to make its concentration to suit your smell. You, the perfume, use only 15 to 25% of fragrance oil, while you, the toilette or cologne, uses 5 to 15% of fragrance oil. Fixative. This is the fixative. It's an additive that will enhance the fragrance and makes it last longer. Fixative is used in hydroalcoholic fragrances that we are going to do right now. It uses materials such as musk, benzoin, methyl glucoside. DPG is dipropylene glycol. This is also a vehicle to bring out the fragrance. PGA is a premium grade alcohol. This is the vehicle. This is also the vehicle where the fragrance oils are dispersed. You can also use ethyl alcohol. Distilled water is also used to disperse fragrance oil. We use only a certain percentage of distilled water. If we use too much, your perfume will not last long. How about the laboratory equipment? You need this to mix the ingredients. You need to have the right equipment to accurately measure each ingredient you mix. You will need the following: a 200 ml Erlenmeyer flask. You also need a 10 ml graduated cylinder, and you will be needing the 100 ml or the 250 ml graduated cylinder. For me, I use the 250 because I usually mix 30 ml of fragrance oil. These are the laboratory equipment. For the bottling, here I am using a 30 ml perfume bottle. Why? Because perfume bottle at 30 ml is just enough. It is not too much and it is not too small or too few for you to use. And it is affordable or more affordable for your buyer. Why? It will not be so expensive. Each bottle will cost around 100 plus only, and you will gain a lot from this one. And the packaging, I use a carton box that I made myself. Today we are going to do this one, the Versaman. This is my own name that I made a year ago. And today we are going to mix perfume for this one. For the packaging and bottling, we will do it on our next video because we have a lot to do today. We have no time to do the bottling and packaging. This will be on another video. Okay? The fragrance oil, we are going to use 30 ml. This is a 120 ml bottle. For the fixative, we are only going to use 1 ml or 24 drops. And for the DPG, we are going to use 6 ml. And for the PGA, we are going to use 150 ml. And for the distilled water, we are just going to fill it up until we reach the 200 ml level. Okay? Perfume grade colorant, I don't use it because I want our perfume to be as pure as it can be. So I don't use any colorant, but you can use if you like to use blue colorant, red, orange, green. It depends. You can use that. You can drop a little color to suit your taste. Or now let us start mixing our perfume. Please prepare all your ingredients and laboratory equipment in succeeding order. I usually do the fragrance oil, fixative, the DPG, the PGA, and the distilled water. This is usually how I do it. I'll just put this one aside first. Okay. Now let us measure fragrance oil, 30 ml. We will use the 10 ml, so we are going to measure it 3 times. This is 10 ml. And another 10 ml. This is the total of 30 ml. Let's just let it drip. Now the fixative. The fixative, we are going to use 1 ml or 24 drops using our glass stirrer, or you can measure it to 1 ml. That's 1 ml. We just mix. As we mix this one, now we are going to use DPG, and the measurement is 6 ml for a 200 ml perfume bottle. Here, that's 6 ml. Cover this up again. Already smell the perfume. Now we are going to mix the ethyl alcohol or PGA alcohol, perfume grade alcohol. We are going to measure it up to 150 ml. So you see, that's 150 ml. Now we are going to stir or shake. Now we will put it back here in the 250 ml graduated cylinder. We will put distilled water up to until it reaches 200. Here. Don't use too much water because it will make your perfume lose its scent more quickly. Now we will just put this back here and stir it again. Or we are going to shake it again. That's it. This is our perfume. Now, we need a 250 ml amber bottle to store our perfume, so that why are we using amber bottle? To protect the perfume from the sunlight or from the light, so that it will preserve its quality. And we are going to store this one in the refrigerator for 7 days. Or if you want to store it in the room temperature, it will be around 14 days to let it age so that the alcohol will be saturated with the perfume or the fragrance oil. Now we are going to put it here. By the way, I already have my own. I think I will use my old bottle with the label already. This one was labeled last year, July 2, and it will mature on July 9, but today is July 3, so it will mature in July 10. Okay? Oh, I just remembered I made this last year. We'll just mix this one. There, that's our perfume. Have you seen my t-shirt? Thank you for my sister, Sheila, for providing me this polo shirt. Okay, it says Project Tips. Thank you, Sheila. I hope you like our video. If you like our video, please click the like button and please subscribe. On our next video, we are going to have the bottling and packaging. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.